First, disconnect the dryer from the wall. Next, open the dryer's door and with a thin metal tool, release the top's locking tabs. Now, lift the top off. There are 6 screws you will need to unscrew to remove the front panel. We will start with the top screws, then continue to the screws at the front. Remove the lint screen and set it aside. You will need to release the wire harness from its holding curls. After that, you can release the front panel from its locking tabs. Use both hands to lift the top side of the frame and release it. Now open the door again and tilt a bit backwards. Slightly, push the door switch to the left side and in, then you'll be able to press on the clip that holding it in place. Insert the new door switch and apply pressure on the right side first until you hear a click, then do the same for the left side. Now you can reconnect the drum light and push the panel all the way until the locking tabs are holding the panel still. Secure the wires back to the plastic curls. Make sure there are no wires or hanging loose. This is also the time to reconnect the drum light connector. Make sure you hear a click. Screw back the 6 screws that holding the front panel. 3 at the top and 3 at the front. The brass screws with the washers are for the front. Insert the lint screen. Close the door. Lay the top down and push it until you hear a loud snap sound. Reconnect the dryer to the outlet and make sure it works properly.